Morning Year 5, it's Mrs Whiting here. Just thought I'd check in with you just to say hello. I'm at home this week, so it's been a bit different. I've been doing some housework, I've been doing quite a lot of schoolwork, and I've been out in the garden, which has been lovely. I just thought I'd let you know that I'm going to be doing some little maths videos that will help you with your maths work that I've set on Purple Mash this week, on squared numbers and cubed numbers today. So please watch them. Hopefully it will help you. Remember, we have done squared numbers and cubed numbers before, so it shouldn't be too tricky for you. Okay then, see you later, bye. Good morning Year 5, it's Mrs Whiting here. This is the first time I've done this video, so I'm not quite sure how I can do this and film myself and film the board. So we're just going to have a go this morning, and I just thought I would check in with you just to see how you're getting on with your squared numbers in maths this week. So I've just drawn a little diagram here on my board at home. So we had to find squared numbers. Remember, squared numbers look like a 1 and we've got a small 2 here. So we can represent that as 1 square by 1 square, and we can calculate that by doing 1 multiplied by 1, which gives us 1. So to find out 2 squared, we have 2 multiplied by 2. So we've got this drawn as a representation squares here, which equals 2 times 2 and gives us the answer of 4. Then we have 3 squared, and we have 3 squares by 3 squares, which is the same as doing 3 multiplied by 3, which gives us the answer of 9. 4 squared is, I've got the little square there, let me put it on just so you can see. 4 squared is 4 squares by 4 squares. 4 times 4 equals, I wonder who can tell me first. 4 squared by 4 squared equals 16. Then we have 5 squared by 5 squared. Now I'm not going to try and draw that because it's going to be a bit fiddly, but you can draw it at home, which equals 5 multiplied by 5, and who can tell me what the answer will be? Then what I would like you to have a go at doing, you can practice doing this at home. I would like you to practice doing 6 squared, 7 squared, and so on down to 10 squared. And you can draw this as a representation if it helps, or you might just want to draw the calculation like this. Okay, good luck everybody. Here we are with our cube numbers now, and remember, a cube is represented with the number and a little 3 that represents cubed. So we've done this in class. Remember, we did it with the multi-link, and it was at the back of the classroom for quite a while, the Tower of Multi-link, you probably remember. So hopefully that'll jog your memory. So we can represent 1 cubed as 1 cubed. So we've got 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1. I can't have a space to fit my number in. Okay, so we represent that as a multiplication as 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1, which gives us the answer of 3. 2 cubed, you have to excuse my little diagrams here, but we've got 2 cubed by 2 multiplied by 2. That's how we draw it as a representation. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Who can work out what the answer is? So 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 equals 8. Then we've got 3 cubed, represented here in my diagram. 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So we know that 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 equals, who can tell me first? 27. Okay, can you now continue the sequence and find out 4 cubed and 5 cubed? And some of you might want to go on to finding out 6 cubed and 7 cubed. Oops, I'm not very good at writing on the board. See how you get on. Good luck, bye.